ati nasema tunachukua tu yenyewe. Hivyo ndivyo na
African feeding, right? We are cooking oxtail soup. Kindly subscribe, follow, and comment. Also share to your friends. We start by cutting our oxtail into pieces. Wow.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe, like, and comment. Today we are cooking oxtail soup, which is good for lactating mothers wenye wananyonyesha. Hii ndio mzuri.
And water. And enough water. Kindly subscribe. Direct to the kitchen. Remember to use 3 stones and firewood. And salt. We cover with another sufuria. Boil for 45 minutes. You can see our soup is boiling. Delicious.
Pia tunasema tunachukua tu yenyewe. Hivyo ndivyo najiambia.
It's good for breastfeeding mothers. Our soup is ready. Wow. Enjoy. Delicious. It's good for breastfeeding mothers. Delicious. You can see, yummy.
Thank you for watching my channel.